just catch up a little bit. It has a little bit connection time. I really just noticed that how much I actually spend time with all of you. And when I'm in a room, I do take my time and chit chat and, you know, be present, and I miss you all. What do we do actually to stay healthy? So I thought today is a great topic to just say, hey, how do we support our immune system? And I know you all are super smart and know a lot about it. So I thought besides adding food, also like, hey, what teas can we do? Or what acupoints can I share that you can do at home? So, but let's talk about our immune system. So I had many conversations. A lot of people texted me because, as you know, I give my patients access to me directly. And so they text me and I text them back. But I want to be also making it fun and accessible for you, what you have at home. So when we are strengthening our immune system, everybody knows about vitamin C. But what about vitamin A, vitamin D, and zinc? You know, it's vitamins and minerals. And where are they in foods? What can we get right now in the stores that are still available that we can just cook something really nicely? It doesn't have to be all complicated, right? We can make it nice. So when we talk about, let's talk about vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, and it's delicious. We can have it in sweet potatoes. That's why you hear actually so much about sweet potatoes. It's yellow. So anything that's yellow, orangey, has like lots of vitamin A in it. So as you know, you hear me sometimes in Chinese medicine categorizing food and colors. And I think to make it easy, if you look into like something yellow, orange, then you're really in a good area, as well as green. Those are the two where we're saying we're nourishing, you know, our stomach, our spleen, our immune system. So sweet potato is great, carrots, butternut squash. If you have at home some essential oils, and I know some of you love essential oils, here are some oils that I would like you to put out, and we can also use them on points. You know, like lavender is really good for immune system. You really want that having around. And then some lemony essential oil like lemon or orange. It's a chi mover, as we say in Chinese medicine. And some points when, you know, we want to like strengthen the immune system, we want to actually move it. We want to move it and nourish it, right? I show you some points we can use at home. Very easy. I'm using them a lot, especially because I'm still treating patients. I actually do them in the morning before I go to see my patients, and afterwards to really like flush out my system and my immune system, okay? So one of the points, and let me see, I'll have here my little, I'm going to use my lavender for that, okay? So my lavender is really good, and I use my lung point, which is nourishing the lung, but it also helps when I put the lavender on it with the lemon to nourish and move it out to my lymphatic system. Because I don't, you know, the immune system is totally okay with like biting things off when we just release it out of the body again, right? So I have like a little lemon, here, lavender and lemon. So if you have something like that at home, great. If not, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You can use just your hands, okay? So I usually just use them, mix just a little bit, you know, and you can use some oil. But then you actually use your hand. And you can use your right or left hand. Right now I'm showing, I have on the right hand so my oil. So, and if you look at your hands, you know, here is the lung area, lung point. And right here as well, okay? So I know I got a little bruise there because I used some hard points as well. So that's a whole different story I'll share next time. And if you're not so perfect, don't worry. You have to get some, you know, some bony things. You have like your artery there, just in between. And then, you know, it goes actually around this bone.